I can't believe we're in 2023 already. Happy New Year, everyone. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Skylar Ewing and I'm a photographer based in Maine, US. I started this channel on January 2nd of 2022 and today is January 1st, 2023. So tomorrow will be exactly 1 year since I started this channel. In this last year, I posted 301 videos and we gained 6,200 subscribers. There was not a fast growth, it was slow and steady, and honestly, I'm very happy the way things turned out. Now, if you're not familiar with the monetization on YouTube, there are a few requirements in order to monetize your channel, and that is you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hours. It took me until April 23rd of 2022 to get my 1,000 subscribers, so that's just a little bit less than 4 months. And then it took me until April 3rd to get my 4,000 watch hours. That's just a tiny little bit over 4 months. Once I applied for monetization program for the partner program with YouTube, I was accepted less than 48 hours later. So on April 6th was the first time I could see money into my account and I could see exactly how much I was making. Now, let me just start my screen recording and I will take you behind into my analytics. And I will take you into the revenue tab and let's start with April. So April was the first month I got monetized and as you can see, I made $290.51. Now my RPM was 642 and my CPM was 24.75. If you don't know what RPM and CPM stands for, well, RPM is revenue per mil and that's how much money I get paid per 1,000 views, and CPM is what the advertisers pay per 1,000 views. So the only number I really care about it is my RPM because that is the money that I'm getting paid per 1,000 views. Now, as you can see, May started to look a little bit better. In May, I made $406 and my RPM went up to $9.10 average and my CPM was $26.41. Things were looking better. I was gaining more subscribers. Let's see. In May, how many subscribers I gained? In May, I gained 567 subscribers. So that was looking great. Then let's go to June and see how much money I made in June. Now for the month of June, I made $401.52. My RPM was $9.12 and the CPM $25.82. In June, if you're curious, I posted 18 videos. So things were staying pretty good. No complaint there. It was not growing a lot, like very fast, but it was still okay. Let's see into July. In July, no surprise, pretty similar, $397.56. RPM dropped almost $2 to $7.25, and my CPM was $20.47. For the subscribers number, we gained 674 subscribers for the month of July. Now in August, my revenue dropped a little bit. I went to $321 and my RPM was 752, CPM 2198. Subscribers, we didn't get as many subscribers. We got to 463. Now there's a reason why I started making less money in August, but I'll get to that in a second. Let's go to September. Now, for the month of September, I made $292.55. My RPM was 671 and CPM was 1991. So my RPM dipped again. And the reason why this happened is because I started posting more videos about product photography, about Photoshop and Lightroom. So that drove my RPM down. But then the more you have of those videos, the more your RPM will go back up. Now, this was September. For October, I made $253.63, RPM 623, and CPM 1926. For November, $301.03, RPM 836, and CPM 2531. November 39, RPM was 727, CPM 2178, but we did gain a lot of subscribers in December. As you can see, we got 822 subscribers, so thank you for that. Now let's talk a little bit what drives this RPM. Why my RPM went down that much and then back up? There's multiple factors for that. Now, this is just the money I made from the ad revenue. As a YouTuber, you don't just make money from ad revenue. You have sponsored videos, you have affiliate links, so there's other ways to income. Ad revenue is actually the smallest number out of all. Some of you might not know what affiliate links are, so I'm just going to explain that very shortly. Affiliate links is when you work with a company and they give you a link and you put the items in the description of the video and people can click on it to purchase those items. And to no extra cost to you, every time you purchase something from with my affiliate links, I will get a percentage. Now, there are all kinds of affiliate links. Many companies have them. Some are better than others. Like some companies will give you a very high percentage when somebody buys something through the affiliate links. And some other companies like Amazon will have a very, very small percentage. But where they're winning, they have a different system. And that is that, let's say I put a camera on my description with an affiliate link to Amazon. If you go and click on that link and you looked at that camera, you don't have to buy it. You can just look at it, get out of your Amazon and forget about it. But then later that day or within 24 hours, if you go back to your Amazon and you buy your nephew's Christmas present or you buy a vacuum for your house, I will still get a percentage from that. So the moment someone clicks on that affiliate link with Amazon, um, whatever they buy within that 24 hours, you'll get a percentage of it. Now, that is if they didn't click on someone else's affiliate link between your link and by the time they buy the product. So that is the way the affiliate links work. Now, when you have a YouTube channel, it's very important to understand your analytics and understand what drives those numbers to go up or down. And I want to talk to you about that, especially about RPM, which is the money you will make. When I started my YouTube channel in the beginning of the year, Skylum had come out with their Luminar Neo program. And I was making a lot of videos on Luminar Neo. And actually, I think I made over 120 videos on Luminar Neo. And every time I posted one of those videos, I was gaining a lot of subscribers. The videos were getting a lot of views on the first day because I had so many subscribers. And YouTube, when you make a video, they will send it first to your subscribers and then they will send it out to the world if, the video does well. Well, because most of my subscribers were Luminar Neo people, every time I had a video, they would watch it, so my video was doing great. YouTube, when they see that your videos are doing great, your RPM goes up. So that increased my money per month. After a few months of doing Luminar Neo, I decided I wanted to expand and make some other videos that are not just Luminar Neo videos. And when I started posting those videos, for example, a Photoshop video or a product photography video, you would see every time I posted something that was Luminar Neo, in the first day would get like 1,000 views, and you'll gain like 5, 7 subscribers or so on. And then the moment I posted a video about Photoshop or anything else that was not Neo, it would be getting like 100 views and the subscriber number was -2 or 3. And that was kind of discouraging because I didn't want to make my whole channel just about Luminar Neo. So what I had to do is keep making those videos, wanted to keep adding those videos because if you don't add those videos, you will never gain new subscribers that are interested in those kind of topics. So I keep making them, and then they slowly started to get some traction. And, of course, the Neo people, when they see a product photography video, they might unsubscribe, but then that new video might gain a few other subscribers and might compensate, and you will only have to gain from that. So it's important to have a niche when it comes to YouTube, but you don't want to box yourself into too narrow of a niche because then you'll find yourself in a corner with no way out. Now, another thing that I learned from having a YouTube channel is balance, and that's the hardest one to navigate. You would want to keep making videos and posting and then do your daytime job or whatever other hobbies you have, family and so on. And that's the hardest thing to navigate because it does take time. Everything takes time from the moment you film your video and then have to edit the videos, edit the sound, learn about editing videos or sound or whatever you need to learn that you don't know. Everything takes time, and having that balance is very, very important. Now, another advice for you is to make videos that will be relevant tomorrow, a year from now, 10 years from now. And I made a mistake when I made my Luminar Neo videos, I feel, because I have like over 100 videos that are not relevant today, especially the ones in the beginning. I will show you the way one of my analytics looks when I'm talking about Luminar Neo videos. You see, it gets a great. Another important thing when you make your videos for YouTube is to make sure that they will be relevant tomorrow, a week from now, a year from now, or even 10 years from now. So that is one mistake that I made with some of my videos, like the Luminar Neo videos, especially the ones in the beginning, that they just don't matter to this day. They've come with many updates since then. And what happens is, if you look at this like analytics from my Luminar videos, they're pretty much all the same graph. They will have a spike on views in the first few days where everybody wants to watch it, and then flatline. They're getting no views for months and months and months. And that is because since then they came with new updates, there's new tools, nobody really cares about that anymore. So all those videos are getting no views. So as you can see, Luminar Neo videos for me, they have a big spike, people watch them, and then flatline. And that's pretty much the graph that I have for every single Luminar Neo video. People watch them and then no interest. Now, if I look at the product photography video, for example, this one over here, and you look at the graph, this one shows a completely different graph. And this is what's happening to all my product photography videos. They get slow views in the beginning and they just start to get views and the graph there just keep going up. So those videos would be great a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, and because nothing will change versus when you just do Luminar Neo video, that's just my example, it could be anything else, like any news that is good today and tomorrow it's old news, well, those are not going to bring you many views over the long haul. So that's one lesson that I learned. That doesn't mean I'm not going to make Luminar Neo videos. If they come up with new things, I'll be the first one to make videos about it. We'll talk about it. But it's good to have a mix. You don't want to just have videos that do good in the first 2 days and then flatline, but have a healthy balance. Now, one thing that I've learned from having a YouTube channel is that RPM changes. And let's take this example here. And you can see how my RPM one day it could be $3, and then a couple of days later is $15. The next day it drops to $2.35, and so on. It bounces up and down. So RPM changes within the same video every day. So how much money I made for 2022? Remember, I only started getting monetized in April. So beginning with April until now in 2022, I made $2,972. Now, for some of you, that might sound like a lot of money, but I assure you there is not, because in 2022, I made 301 videos. So let's say 300 videos, $3,000, that's about $10 per video. But like I said, this does not include sponsored videos and affiliate links. Now, before I say my goodbyes, I just want to, take a moment to thank my subscribers for all of their support. This channel would have not existed without you, and I am very thankful to each one of you guys. I hope this was helpful and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing. I'll see you in my next video.